from open grazing to cattle colony, from cattle colony to ruga colony, from ruga colony to water bill, so that they can take over land. We have seen them. And there will be no water bill in Benue State. We are not going to accept that. Benue State will resist that water bill. The evil being planned by these Fulani men and the elite who are in the National Assembly, who are in the ministerial position, who are in government position and trying to cajole and to deceive and to coerce us into accepting water bill. We have clearly seen that it is an evil plan, and Benue State will resist that water bill. Even if we're going to stand alone, we'll resist it. And I want to encourage other states, our brothers and sisters in other states, who think that yes, they will bring water bill. Water bill. That water bill is an evil bill. It was shut down, and they are bringing it back again, and we are going to fight it. Here in Benue, say we are going to fight that water bill. It will not be accepted. It's an evil plan to take over the banks of our waterways. And for states like Lagos, for rivers, for Cross River, for Akwa Ibom, for Ondo, for Oyo, for Ogun, where we have waters naturally running. And when you want to introduce water bill so that it will be under the control of the federal government and the state will not have a say, it is dead on arrival as far as we're concerned here in Benue State. Even if other states will not counter it, Benue State will not allow it, because it's an evil that is being planned. Federal government should manage Federal Capital Territory. They have no business in Benue State to come and take over our land in the name of water bill. It will not be accepted. Our land, as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Land Use Act is very clear. The land belongs to the people, but the government and the governor hold in trust the total land of the state on behalf of the people. Under my watch, I will not leave my responsibility of ensuring that I hold this land in trust for the people to do their farming activities. I will not allow it.